Hi boys and girls, welcome to What is This? Where we guess and learn new words on different subjects. And today we have a very special subject. It will be about amazing animals from the USA. That was alligators. Oh, let's try to guess another one. What is this?
What is this?
Is American alligator?
American alligator?
No, that's not. That's not.
Nope.
Is that a
Lionfish?
lionfish? No, that's not a lionfish. Is that a lionfish? No. No. Is that a
Fire ant!
Oh,
Fire ant.
is it? Yeah, that's
Fire ant.
it. Woohoo! Woohoo! What they do?
They pinch.
They sting. And
They bite hard.
yeah, you should be careful.
They can bite like 6 times. They bite.
You see? Oh, you see where they located? A lot of places. And it's very dangerous for the people who have allergy. Better to stay away because you can get very strong allergic reaction.
Don't have allergy.
Yeah, but not specifically to the ants. But better to stay away and don't try to touch their house because that's when they get aggressive and that's when they can try to attack you and they pinch. Ooh. So better to stay away from their houses. Okay, let's try to guess another animal from the USA. And let's see, what is this?
What is this?
Scary.
Whoa, let's try. What do you think it is?
It can be a spider, but it's
Do you think it's a bison?
No.
No, that's not a bison.
Little places.
Do you think it is what do you think it is? Do you think
American crocodile?
alligator? No, that's not an alligator.
No.
So what it is, boys and girls? What do you think it is?
Black widow, black widow, black widow, black widow.
Yeah, that's the
Black widow.
Whoa.
No, they can.
Yes, I know. Stay away from the black widow. What color is black widow?
Black and red.
That's
And no,
right.
sometimes they can even bite 600 bites.
But that you see, they very spread it all over USA. But the bites are not the worst that you can get. They have a venom that is 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake bite. It is very, very strong. And the most dangerous it is for little kids. So little kids, stay away if you see any kind of spider, better to be safe. That was a black widow. Let's try to guess another animal from the USA.
This is the last one.
What is that?
What is this?
Whoa, is that a bison? No, that's not. No. Is that a?
No.
Tell me what you think. Is that a
Black fire ant.
fire ant? No, that's not a fire ant.
No.
So what can it be? What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
Snake rat.
Snake rat.
CottonMouth
No,
snake.
that's a CottonMouth snake.
CottonMouth snake.
Yeah.
CottonMouth snake. Can they breathe underwater?
No, I don't know, but they are semi-aquatic snakes.
No,
It means
they
that
can-
they like to hang around the water.
They can do like this. They can steer. They can.
There they are. There they are located. And they are pretty big. They have a kind of like a triangular shape of the head. They're very strong, and they can jump and attack. You see, they are semi-aquatic. It means that they can be in the water. They can swim, but they are venomous. So If you see anything like a grayish, darkish, with an open mouth running, just disappear. Don't be there. Don't go there. It's not good. That's it. That's it, kids, for today. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe down below.